Well, apparently Koopa Trolls are the most scaredy people ever.
They're like the Koopa Elite. They shouldn't be afraid. Finish them off quickly.
Yep. I'm on it.
Star Storm!
There we go. And with that, we get a free Super Shroom. But I'm kind of out of space. Alright, see ya. Alright, well, I hate the free Super Shroom because I was calling it a good deal. So if you hit that switch, it'll turn off all the lava, and everything is now cooled down. That's why you're the man. Every day I learn something new from you. Every day? I only met you for like 2 chapters. Okay, so up ahead is a locked door, so we need to find a key somewhere. So I need to get to this locked door. So we go back to that room with the chest that I couldn't get. Because I think it contained a key.
Chest has a key.
Yep, it contained the... Yes, B, you told me that I passed the key earlier.
No, I told you you missed the test. I didn't say it had the key in it until just now.
No, you can't get it the key until you disable the lava flow. Oh, you got 21 star points out of that.
Yeah. It's because I'm under leveled, which is why I'm getting a ton of star points from fighting enemies.
I'm a little concerned.
So whether or not he'll beat this challenge? Yeah, he'll be able to.
Okay, so this dark room is really hard to navigate through without the power of Watts.
Yeah, and the enemies in the dark room are pretty easy to avoid.
Yeah. Okay, so this right here, I need to cross this pit using the park carry. Alrighty. Let's see, let's go over here and see what we can find. Oh, okay. Wow, I did not have I Spy equipped the whole time. Oh well. I don't think I need star points if I'm already at this point in the game.
Max, I think your mic is kind of breaking out.
My mic?
Or not your mic, your internet. Your internet is making it sound like your mic is breaking you out.
I'm not experiencing connection problems right now. That's a POW block? Really? At this point in the game?
No point in taking that along. In a future block, you'll find a shooting star. I don't know if he'll use that.
No,
He needs to.
I don't think I'll bring out Lackluster. Actually, I should be calling him Spike since he does not like the name Lackluster.
Who cares?
Alright, let's go up.
When will you get out of the dark room?
You'll get out at some point. It's not really a long place. You can find your way out within minutes.
Yeah. Okay, this one's a star block. Alright. Problem is, what's to get rid of for a shooting star? Because I have healing items that I like need.
Actually, to be honest, MGen, I don't think you even need the shooting star because you do have the star storm.
Yeah, plus star storm does 7 damage, shooting star does 6.
Exactly. So, what's the point of even having that along?
Yeah, and you really don't need super shrooms either. If you know that Bowser's gonna instantly one-hit kill.
Nah, trust me, I got a strategy in hand. Alright. Whoa!
You only lost 3 coins running away that time.
Coins don't even matter at this point.
Don't go to the screensaver. Well, there's a shop in here.
The question is, does that shop sell the necessary equipment you need?
Yeah. Hopefully it does. I don't even remember what that shop contains.
Me neither, but I think it does have a mystery in there. And maybe a Thunder Rage.
Yeah, but using the mystery is luck based. Like, you have to be lucky with what kind of item you get from it.
I'm not saying that you should purchase it, I'm just saying.
Sometimes you can get unlucky and get a dried shroom from the mystery. Oh!
Ew!
Oh, there's the way out down there.
Yeah, there was a Magic Koopa right there, but luckily, I found a way through, and let's hit this block, or let's push this block out of the way, back into this room. Hi! Hello! Yeah, I escaped from jail. How did I do it? Well, I just somehow do it. Because I'm Mario. And I love to play Paper Mario.
That was good, MGN. Top marks.
Alright, let's go over here. There's a here.
Oh, MGN, are you gonna pay a visit to those jail cells where the tolls are locked in?
Yup, that is where I'm going. First, I have a quick patrol here.
Well, just be wary of the amount of star points that you have.
Yeah. Because I have not seen Merlee come out and help me.
What was that?
That's what they were saying.
Oh.
So basically, yeah, this is not a real Toad house. But they do heal you, which is good. But these beds have no blankets, so I can sleep with warmth.
Exactly. It's not really that comfortable to sleep on. In fact, you probably wake up with a backache when you wake up.
Yeah, and there's no pillows either.
Right, onwards.
Alright, let's see. Let's go this way first. So this is these are what I like to call main rooms. Okay, there's a shop in here. Alright, let's see. You have a Super Shroom, Maple Syrup, Thunder Rage, Pow Block, Dizzy Dial, and a Mystery. Who are you, man? I don't know your face. Maybe you're Mario. Wow, this guy doesn't realize he's talking to Mario?
He's never seen Mario before. How ironic.
Yeah, I don't think I need anything from the shop. think I'm good for right now. But yeah, that's dumb how he doesn't realize he's actually something.
Yeah, extremely.
Yeah, I mean, come on, he's famous in the Mushroom Kingdom.
And Bowser Kingdom too.
That too. One thing I don't understand about Bowser is if he's king, how come he doesn't have complete control of everyone?
Because Mario keeps on trampling over him.
And then all the citizens go behind Bowser's back, don't even bother to worship him.
Because we don't like him. Oh,
Oh
okay.
yeah, Max, you should do a playthrough of Mario and Luigi Bowser's Inside Story.
By the way, I like how when you pull this chain to raise the water level, it makes the toilet sound.
It sounds like you're in an actual bathroom. Except, well, the water is blue, and plus, if you were in a bathroom, there would be
Disgusting water.
Yeah. Let's not even go that far.
Max, you should do a playthrough of Mario and Luigi Bowser's Inside Story.
Dude, I played that game. I never really.
Game is easy to beat. The game is like really easy to beat.
I might consider it someday.
I would do
I would-
it, but I don't have a capture card.
There's always an emulator, you know.
True, but I'll consider it someday.
Well, whoever goes first, you should invite me.
I guess we won't know until then.
Yeah.
Come on. There we go. I mean, I like the game, but I just haven't really had time to beat it.
I beat it like 2 years ago.
That's just way too funny. Just hearing this. It's just way too funny. Just hearing the toilet sound. Alright, so you wanna unflood the room, so then you can use the door, so you can open this door. And now we are in a very interesting room with golden bullet bills.
Bo can help you out with this one.
Okay, so golden bullet bills, I'm not even gonna bother fighting them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use up and away.
Well, that costs a lot of star power. Oh wait, are you using that on the cannons?
Yep.
Perfect. Just simply excellent.
I'm actually close to a level up, but I don't wanna take the chance right there though. That if I level up too early, I might fail.
Yeah, the only thing you can do is just skip past the enemies until you get to Bowser.
Yeah.
And then if you're not at the level that you're supposed to, then you can always just go back.
And you get free coins for doing absolute.
Yeah, that's true. Can you actually blow away the cannons?
I don't think so. They're too strong for that.
I don't think you can. It wouldn't make sense, but
Yeah, I don't think those can be blown away. But it is possible.
And
what?
It is possible that you could skip past the cannons.
and even more coins for doing absolute. Yeah.
Do I have invincibility frames? Yes, I got invincibility frames to get past the cannons. Well, I guess that's another way, is get shot by a bullet and use invincibility frames to go past it.
Yeah, that's another way that you can get past them.
I love using this power.
Don't overuse it now.
Well, yeah, I know. Luckily, those are the last ones, so I can stop up and away now. Ooh, dry bones. These guys are interesting. These guys, well, these guys are weak to fire. So if you use bomb, it does loads of damage to them.
Oh, Mchin, I just remembered that you're coming up on that event. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back.
God. Crap.
Okay, I'm back. Let's pick up a guy.
Hey, enemy, that's cheap.
Just as if I were cheap in Super Smash Brothers.
That was not even fair. That enemy didn't even let me get away from it.
Okay, let me see.
Oh crap.
Let me see. Got it. Okay, Mchan, for that thing that's coming up, I have the answers you need.
Okay, so apparently that room contains nothing. Ah, get away from me! Hammer bro! Oh no! Oh, thank God. And this contains a key.
So now we can keep moving forward. Pretty clever on Bowser's part to just hide that secretly from Mario.
Yeah,
No, you can just keep going.
just want to make sure I haven't missed out on anything. Alright. Alright, let's save. Oh man, I can't believe I'm gonna do this.
It's okay, M-Chan, I have your back.
As
I
do
thought you
I.
could make it this far. You won't make it any farther because, unfortunately for you, I won't let you pass. But I guess if you really want, I'll give you one chance. Because I know there's no way you'll make it. Want to give it a shot? Yeah, sure. This is completely pointless, but I suppose I'll let you try. Because, of course, I have such a kind and generous heart. Just joking. Sure.
Okay, M-Chan, if you get stuck, let me know and I have the answer.
Several of my followers will come out here. Your job is to carefully keep track of their numbers and colors. Then you'll have to answer my questions correctly. Okay? Quite frankly, we both know that this is impossible, but if you get 5 questions right, I'll let you go through here. You're allowed only 2 mistakes. Fool that you are, you'll likely make 3 mistakes. Well, okay. This guy has such confidence that I'm gonna lose. Okay, let's see.
Not for long.
3 Dark Koopas and 4 Koopas. 4 Koopas, 3 Dark Koopas.
Take a moment to think, M-Chan. If you get stuck, let me know.
Tell me how many Koopas were. 3.
There you go, M-Chan.
Okay.
That's 1 down.
It'll be hard. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's so okay, let's see, there's 3 red Shy Guys, 4 blue Shy Guys, and 4 green Shy Guys.
Remember, take a moment to think.
Oh my. How many there are 3 of? Red Shy Guys?
Red Shy Guys, yep.
3 red Shy Guys.
Are these random every time? Or are they all
No.
the same every time?
They're the same every time.
Okay. Okay, 2 red Shy Guys, 4 blue Shy Guys, and 2 bombs.
Nice and easy, M-Chan.
Who came out of the middle entrance? Oh man, I don't know!
You need a hint?
What?
It's red. What's red all over in the middle?
Okay, there we go. Also, by the way, if you get if you make 3 mistakes, you fight 3 anti-guys, and I don't want to do that. 1 Goomba, 3 blue Shy Guys, 1 green Shy Guy, and 4 blue. Let's see. How many Goombas were there? Oh, fudge.
Dose! Dose!
Alright, just need one more question.
Dose. There were 2.
By the way, if you make 1 mistake, but then you get a 5th answer. If you make 1 mistake on the last question, you have to answer another one because he specifically said.
Oh, you made a mistake?
Correct. No, I'm just saying.
Oh, okay.
Okay, 1 Dark Koopa, 1 Koopa, and how many arms did you see? 4. Because Goombas
Isn't that
don't
obvious?
have arms. Alright. Bye.